Whoa, here we go. Another day. And here's the beautiful Joanne.
Hello.
And look at this gorgeous baby. Eh? She's beautiful. And then baby Rose, she's beautiful. Come on, baby Rose. Don't do that, baby Rose. Come on, you're so beautiful. What? Come on. And another beautiful baby. Whee! Wait a minute, my God. Wait a minute. Are you okay? Are you dying? What's happening? What? This one's Jubilin.
Jobilin. It's
Jobilin. All right, Jobilin. Okay. Tomato. But she's 18 and she's got a boyfriend.
I'm turning 20.
Get lost, really? My God, you're so old. She's nearly 20 and she has a boyfriend, so don't get excited, guys. What's happening here while we got all the kids? Yeah, I'm doing that. Why have I got to pick you up? Huh? What's going off? Can't you walk? Oi. Can't you walk? What's up with the face? Say hi. 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 Hi.
every time we go outside, they follow to us.
Well, I thought Kelly was looking after them. So what happens?
We can bring that to the shop for a while.
I wonder if there's any fish. I want some fish.
You always fish. You want fish, right?
Yeah. I might have a sammiga later on as well.
It's very hot.
Yeah. Sobra mainit.
And yesterday we have, as usual, power off. It's 9 a.m. until
Yeah,
12
when
midnight. 12 noon.
We had about 3 power offs yesterday altogether.
It's annoying. Always power off.
Yeah, it's always when I'm editing or doing something else as well. So let's have a look. Ma's very happy because she started to do very well with her food.
Yeah.
She's making money for a change.
She's enjoying. You know
Yeah.
what? How much the profit of my mom
No.
every day? 1,000. More than 1,000.
Oh, 1,000 plus?
Yeah.
Do you know that's what I used to get? I'd scratch my head because you'd say, what's the price of something here? And they'd go like, Mel, she said 1,000 plus. And it's like, what do you mean plus? What's the plus mean? Oh, look, chicken.
More than 1,000.
Chicken, I can steal some chicken. Look.
Vegetable.
Oh, chicken. Ah, chicken.
Chicken, yes.
Is it libre?
Yeah.
Is that libre?
Libre.
How
Libre.
dare? How dare? How dare?
Are you accusing me of stealing?
Yes.
How?
Dare you? Dare you?
Always stealing, right?
Yeah. It's fresh, it's just been cooked.
Bawang daw.
Dugi! Ang init, pwede kang parpaeta pag kinlagdat ka na naman.
That's it. So what we're supposed to be doing?
So let's show my mom. Chop suey,
Chop suey.
chicken,
Chicken.
curry,
Oh, chicken curry. That's nice.
bopis.
Kinaw ko na siya.
And this one is squash. Squash.
Squash.
Your favorite.
Oh, she's got fish.
Yeah.
Ma, keep me fish. Tatlo.
Tatlo, marunong na na. You know how to speak Tagalog. You must know.
Konti lang.
Konti lang, it's okay.
Ano ni ma? Kinanot.
Kinanot is crunchy.
Yeah.
Crunchy lang pala.
Where's the dog? What's that?
Gulay.
Ginataan.
Chicken.
What was that one?
Kinanot.
Is ginataang fish.
If you sell my fish, I will kill you.
Pabakal mo da si fish niya, gadalong ka niya da.
Reserve na siya. Tatlo.
Ano daw? I will
Put them in there. What we're going to do, we haven't got the masks.
yeah, I will go to the house. I will get umbrella as well.
Yeah.
Naiintindihan ko yung sinabi.
Well, apparently we're going over to the school, Mel says. Because she wants to talk to you about the school.
Ninuga ka naman maghalik ang short. Kaya yan.
Is Ada in there? Mel? Ada, is he there?
Just look there.
Can't see the dog. I've not been on my bike for ages. I bet it won't even start though. I keep covering it up, but the kids keep pulling it off. My seat's about gone with the heat. There's a pussycat there. Now to all these that says, don't give the dog chicken bones. These dogs are brought up on chicken bones, fish bones, you name what bone it is, and they're brought up on it. I don't know whose that dog is, but it keeps coming into the shop and walking around. And they don't kick it out, have you noticed? See, when you come to the Philippines, everything goes here. Nobody seems to get overly upset over anything, apart from silly things. You know, stuff that we think silly, in the Philippines will get upset over it. And things we think is really serious, it's like, why are you getting so worried? What's the problem? So normally what happens now is Matthew and Sophia are that naughty. If we bring them to the shop now, within 15-20 minutes they're bringing them back because they can't cope. So did Mel shoot off? I was out yesterday and I was eating outside the shop and I didn't have a mask on, and the police were coming, everybody's shouting at me, police, police. Now normally that's a bit of fun with me, you know, when they're gambling outside the house, I'll go police, police, you know, just a bit of fun, barangay, whatever, and it's a big joke. So I thought they were doing it back to me, but there was actually a van full of police and they were coming slow along here because they're looking for people breaking the rules, not wearing masks and stuff. But most people do. Obviously you're going to get some people that don't, and there's two here, look, they're not wearing masks. If the police come along here, they'll stop, hi, and they'll get fined or arrested or both. Here we go. I don't want that dog to have that. I want our dog to have.
Where's Ada?
Hi! Mama,
Is he under the car? Ada! 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 I don't know where he is. He's normally close. He's not out the back, is he, Mal? He's not gone through the back. Wait a minute, I'll be back in a minute. Do you know what? We can't even go to the beach. This time of the year we'd have been to the beach twice by now. Ada! Ada! Where is he? I hope he's alright. It's really strange because he's normally here. Right, I've got to put my mask on. I'm not going to have it on like this properly because I can't breathe. So I'll have it like this. Ma, uy. I like Mel's other shorts, you know, the ones with the holes in. Oi! Come on. Stay there. Gotta watch these, you know, because Mel took Sophia to the shop a week or two ago and turned her back on Sophia, and she's out on the main road. She's running across the main road. Yeah, so anyway, the lockdown should have ended on the 15th.
Yeah, but
We're now on the 22nd. It was extended to the end of May.
30.
Right? Now, if you've ever been on my live streams, I keep getting asked about these lockdowns, and I've said from day one, look, this isn't going to end overnight. They're going to keep pushing it and pushing it and pushing it, extending.
Oh, you know.
They're going to give you, well,
That's
I don't know for sure, but it's happened so far, hasn't it? I've said, every time you come to the end of when it should come up, bearing in mind they said it was only going to be 2 weeks till they knew what was happening. That's around the world, not just where we're living at the moment. And I said, look, it's going to get to the end of the period, then they're going to extend again, right? So what do they do? Oh, we're going to extend another 15 days. So they get the 15 days. Oh, we're going to extend it to the end of the month. Look, we're going to extend for another 30 days. Before you know it, we're in 2021. This isn't going to happen. This isn't going to end anytime soon.
And also you need, like, for example, if you're gonna go outside, you should wear a face
Mask.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.